In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract reports from Teamwork in a quick and efficient way. If you're new to Teamwork or simply looking to streamline your workflow, these instructions will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head over to the search bar and type in Teamwork. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of search results. Now, it's essential to focus on the official Teamwork website, which usually appears as the first result. If you're unsure, look for the URL that reads www.teamwork.com. Click on this link to proceed. With the Teamwork website open, look towards the upper right corner for the Login button. If you haven't done so already, enter your login credentials carefully to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Teamwork dashboard, which serves as your hub for various projects and tasks. Next, direct your attention to the main navigation bar. Here, you'll notice a More option. It's usually represented by 3 dots or the word itself. Click on this, and a drop-down menu should appear. From the available options, select Reporting. This is where Teamwork collects all your insightful data into easy-to-understand reports. Now, you're in the Reports section. Here, you'll see various types of reports you can access. These include options like Utilization and Financial and Utilization Insights. If you need something more specific, you can always opt to create a custom report. To do this, you'll find a button or link that allows you to generate a report tailored to your needs, whether you need insights on a particular project or data related to specific users. Once you've chosen the report type that fits your needs, it's time to filter the data. Look for the Filter button, which is prominently displayed within the reporting interface. This tool is invaluable as it allows you to narrow down the report by applying different criteria. You can filter by specific dates to understand trends over time, or focus on data related to a single project or user. After adjusting the filters to match your desired report details, don't forget to save your report. You'll find the Save option within the reporting interface, typically labeled as Save Report. Giving it a clear, descriptive name will help you easily access it later, sparing you from having to reapply filters each time you need similar data insights. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted a report from Teamwork. Whether you're monitoring team productivity or delving into financial insights, these steps should empower you to access the information you need with confidence. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you find these instructions as helpful as the reports you'll be creating.